Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So you read from my title, we will be unboxing the October 2019 Slay Glam box. So if you want to see what is inside this little pretty pink package, then keep on watching. All right, so this just came in today, and it came in like a little envelope, and then inside is like the priority mail thing in here, I think. I'm not sure, but I just cut it open. I haven't peeked inside. I don't know what is in here. So let me just take everything out. All right, so it comes in the regular packaging right there. It's a Slay Glam box. So this is just more, this is like a thin paper. You know, I say this all the time, I don't really like the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute, but I don't like the way, because it just doesn't look pretty once you get it, you know? But on the outside of that, we have some lashes. So let's see if there's a card in here, and then I can read you more about it. All right, so let me open it up. All right, see, it's packed. This is $24 a month. So let's take everything out. Okay, yeah, so you do get a card. Okay. So let's go over. It does give you prices. I don't know. I think this is let me turn this down a little bit, this light. Let's see. So I don't know what you can see. Let's see. Can you see? I don't know what's going on, but I can see the prices and stuff. So this says, included for Lexi. So it says, try our new lash box. Get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for $15 a month. Free USA shipping. Use code ISLAY for 10% off. So if you don't know, my 19-year-old daughter had heart and lung surgery. And so she knows, I always say, like when I get lashes, I give them to my daughter. So she included that in here for my daughter. So let's open up this puppy so we can get a better look. Oh, they are gorgeous. They look like there's 5 different styles, but that is really, really pretty. So she will definitely love this. All right, it doesn't give prices how much this will be. The first thing that I'm seeing is in this purple thingy, and I'm not sure what this is. Let's open her up. And this might be the Crown Brush 7-piece HD brush sets. So it comes like that. Yep. All right, so you get your brushes here. I'll take it out. You get a mirror. You get some tweezers. So, and this is valued at $19.99. All right, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. These brushes are very soft. I like my brushes a little bit more dense, but they're pretty. So you do definitely, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. All right, so then you have this right there. I would use this, not for contouring or bronzing because it's not dense enough, you know, but for definitely for blush, I would use that. And we have this one here. And that's what it looks like. This is a little smaller. I would probably use this for highlights. Very pretty. I think these are gorgeous. This says deluxe contour, but for me, it's too soft for me. All right. Then we have this little shader brush right there. That is nice. And then this must be a blending brush, yes. Again, it's a little too soft for me, but I'll definitely try it. And then you get this little like eyelash. What does this say? What should be? Detail liner. Okay, so like a liner. It's very, very thin. So that's what you get, and then you get a pair of tweezers. I think this is definitely great for travel. So just tweezers. Very nice. So I think this is a pretty good deal for 20 bucks. All right. The next thing we got, what should be? This is Extreme Matte Tint. So this is from Kaylin Cosmetics. This is $19, Pure Luxe Extreme Matte Tint Mousse. So this is a lipstick. Now, Kaylin Cosmetics is quite expensive. They sell these at like Nordstrom and stuff. Let me try to open this up. All right, that thing took me forever to get the plastic off. So this is like a mousse lipstick. So let's swatch it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but that is so pretty. And I love these doe foot applicators like this. All right, I'm definitely excited for this. This is really, really pretty. All right, I don't know if I would pay $19, but Kaylin Cosmetics, the brand, is quite expensive. All right, the next thing we got is from Manica Dar. So, what is this? This is a lip exfoliator lip scrub. This is $24. Again, Manica Dar is very expensive. I mean, usually when you get that little duo, you will get like a blush or contour. That is like $21 for that small thing. So this is expensive too. I don't think I would ever pay for the $24 for this because I like the e.l.f., you know, and that's like $3. So let's see. Let me try opening this puppy up. All right, so that's what it looks like. It is just white, and it's kind of like a lipstick, so you would just put it on and kind of like scrub your lips. All right, so we have that. And last, but let me try that again. Last but not least is this ColourPop Super Shack Shadow, and this is $6. This is in the shade 1912. Let me pass. All right. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Definitely fall vibes here. I love Super Shack shadows. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. So it's like a penny copper color. All right, so let's recap what we got in the October 2019 Slay Glam box. So we got the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. Say that 3 times. So we have that. Again, gorgeous. We have a lip scrub, which I think is great because it is getting cooler weather. I live in New Jersey, so it's getting pretty cold where you need a light jacket out, especially at nighttime. So I love the fact that there is a lip scrub in the subscription. And then we have this gorgeous by Kaylin Cosmetics. Let's see if we can build it. Oh, yes, you definitely can. This is really pretty. Love this so much. And I like mousse formulas because it doesn't make your lips feel so dry. It will transfer a little bit, but I'd rather it transfer a little bit than it not, and then it feels like the Saharan desert on your lips. So we have this. Then you get this. Oh, you know what? There was something else in here that I didn't say. So we got this brush set that was $19.99. And how did I not see this? What is this? This is from a Jonathan Gray Beauty eyeshadow palette. That's $31.50. Holy smokes. I never heard of Jonathan Gray Beauty. So that's one thing I do like about subscription boxes. You get to try some brands you never heard of. And I have found some like really holy grail brands that I would have never found if I didn't get subscription boxes. All right, so, oh, this is gorgeous. All right, so that's what it looks like. Packaging is pretty. So you get like a little mirror. You get a little brush. I'm going to take the brush out so it doesn't fall. And that's what it looks like right there. That is so pretty. Now, this shade right here is a pressed glitter. I don't tend to care for pressed glitters in an eyeshadow palette, but it's really pretty. Let's see. You definitely would need a glitter glue. A lot does not come off when I swatch it, but I will swatch these other 4. So let's see. Oh, they feel really creamy. Yes. All right, so let's see. Yeah, they're pretty. This one here doesn't show up too well, but they are really pretty. And I think the Super Shock Shadow goes really good with this palette. So, I don't know if I would pay $31 for this only because I don't know this brand, but they swatch really nice and I'm definitely excited to try that. So, I will leave right here how much everything came to. I did get sent this for Lexi, so I'm not sure if other people, if you guys will get it as well. I think that is so nice. Thank you so much, Slay Glam, for thinking of my daughter in this time, what she's dealing with. I really, really appreciate that. So yeah, that's everything. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think the subscription is worth $24? What did you think of this month? I definitely think it is worth $24. I know a lot of subscription boxes are going up because of shipping costs. With this subscription, you guys got to remember, you don't pay anything for shipping. It's all included with the $24. And yeah, I think it's good. Is it like the best one that I've ever gotten? No, but I definitely think that this box has came a long way since the very beginning, and I get excited every time I see this subscription in my post office box. But I want to know from you guys, what do you guys think about it? And don't forget to leave in the comments down below how your day is going. So rate this video and let me know what you think of it. So either like it or dislike it. I prefer that you like it, but whatever you want to do helps me out. Make sure that you comment. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Subscribe and turn that post notification bell on to all, so that way you'll be getting notified for all of my future videos and giveaways. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.